Dragon chicken is a very popular Indo-Chinese dish that can be enjoyed as a starter or as a side dish for fried rice and noodles. Now this is a very nice crispy chicken which is coated with all this nice sauce. So let's get started and check out the recipe. I've taken about 300 grams of boneless chicken pieces. As you can see, I've cut it into small pieces, or you can even cut it into strips if you like. Now I'm going to marinate these chicken pieces with a few ingredients. I'm going to season it with half teaspoon of salt, some freshly crushed pepper, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, one egg. To this I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of corn flour. Mix everything together. So as you can see, I've mixed everything together. I'm just massaging the pieces a little just to make sure everything is well combined. Let this sit for a minimum of 30 minutes. Heat the oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. Keep the flame at medium throughout and deep fry them till they're a nice golden brown color. Take a wok. To this add 2 tablespoons of oil. I've taken about 1/4 cup of broken cashew nut pieces. Roast them till they're a nice golden brown color. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Next add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Next add 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. To this I'm going to add half cup of spring onion whites sliced. Next add half cup of capsicum juliennes. To this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 4 teaspoons chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar just to balance the flavors. Salt you can add as needed since we've already added all the sauces which already has a lot of salt content. To this I'm going to add half cup of water. So we're just going to make a sauce. I've dissolved 2 teaspoons of corn flour with a little water. I'm going to add this mixture to thicken the sauce. So as you can see, it's instantly thickened. You can dilute it a little bit. I'm adding another half cup of water just to get the sauce going. Now that we've made the sauce, I've checked for seasoning and I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. So you have a nice perfect sauce that's nice and thick, which is loaded with flavors. Add the fried chicken pieces to the sauce, mix it well. Let the chicken cook in the sauce for about 5 minutes. Keep the flame on medium-low. Finally, finish it off by adding chopped spring onion greens. So there you go. Here is this delicious and spicy dragon chicken. Now if you find it a little spicy, you can just adjust the spice according to your taste. You can enjoy this as it is so different from the other starters that we've made. So do try this recipe and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.